Meaning of EEG.
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 EEG. EEG stands for electroencephalogram, which is a test that measures the electrical activity in the brain. The test is conducted by placing electrodes on the scalp and recording the electrical signals that are generated by the brain's neurons. EEG results can be used to detect abnormalities in brain activity such as epilepsy or sleep disorders. EEG is also commonly used in research to study brain activity during various tasks or in response to stimuli. Overall, EEG provides valuable insights into the electrical activity of the brain and its potential implications for health and behavior.